Demystifying B1 Preliminary, PET, Sample Papers and Answer Keys. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most sought-after resources for the B1 Preliminary English Test, PET, Sample Exam Papers and Answer Keys. If you're gearing up for this exam, you'll definitely want to know what to expect. Let's get started. Sample exam papers give you a glimpse of the actual test format. By familiarizing yourself with these papers, you can 1. Understand the test structure. Know how many sections there are, and what each section requires. 2. Time management. By practicing, you can gauge how much time to spend on each section during the actual exam. 3. Confidence boost. Being familiar with the format can reduce anxiety and boost confidence on the exam day. The answer keys are more than just solutions. They're tools for self-assessment. Here's how to make the most of them. 1. Take the test first. Before peeking at the answers, try to complete the paper. 2. Review your answers. Compare your responses to the answer key. Understand where you went right and where you didn't. 3. Learn from mistakes. If you got an answer wrong, try to understand the reason. Was it a lack of knowledge, a silly mistake, or did you not understand the question? 4. Track your progress. As you practice with more sample papers, use the answer keys to track your progress over time. 1. They're exactly like the real exam. While sample papers mimic the real exam, the questions won't be the same. They're for practice, not prediction. 2. Scoring high on sample papers guarantees success. While it's a good sign, real exam conditions can differ. It's essential to stay adaptive and composed. 3. I only need sample papers to prepare. Sample papers are just one tool. It's also crucial to focus on vocabulary, grammar, listening, and speaking exercises. And there you have it, folks. Sample exam papers and answer keys are invaluable tools for your B1 preliminary, PET, preparations. However, remember they are tools, not magic wands. Combine them with thorough preparation, and you'll be on your way to success. Best of luck, and I hope this video has been insightful.